Hi guys, how are you all? I understand. I know the entire thing is a nightmare now. Seriously, it is a nightmare. I even can't imagine sitting at home safely. It's a it's a blessing to you all also. If you are watching this on your phone or your laptop, sitting at your home without any worries, you're lucky. Consider yourself to be the privileged one. If you don't know me, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Shrestha Chakraborty and you're watching with Simile. This is not a regular type of a video. I just wanted to post and ask and talk to you all about your well-being. I know the thing is very tough. The time is testing us. So in this hour, we need to be calm. We need to be rational. We need to take care of our family as well as ourselves. Firstly, I would really like to thank all the people who are risking their life, who is helping us day and night, the frontline warriors, everyone, each and everyone, from doctors to nurses to the hospital, every staff, policemen, delivery guys, each and every profession, no matter what, doing their best so that we survive. This is not the time to blame. This is not the time for the blame game. This is the time to show our humanity. What is the real meaning of humanity? You must be seeing on social media, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, Facebook, and wherever you are on, like Twitter and everywhere, you can see people are posting about all the leads, all the informations, whatever they can. Even if they don't know each other, they're forwarding that, they're helping, they're reposting them. You must be seeing there are many celebrities who are doing it out of their own will. There are many people who are donating. There are many things happening around, which is the real meaning of humanity. Keeping aside all the negativities, I know there are many people who are not doing. There are many celebrities. I'm not here to judge them. It's their call. If they want to help, they can help. If they don't want to help, we can't force anybody, right? You can't force anybody. You can't force yourself. I can't force you. Nobody. So I'm also doing my part. I'm also sharing information. And if you are an influencer, if any influencer is watching here, please do share. You never know who will watch it. Maybe they don't know, maybe they don't need it right now, but they know where to come. I have seen many people, be it an influencer or not, any person having 100 followers to 1 million followers, everybody should keep on highlights full with all the information related to COVID. Story gets over after 24 hours. A person who just entered on Instagram just to have a no leisure time may not see the information you just posted 24 hours ago. They might miss it. Have something on your timeline, on your highlights, so that people can go and visit your profile and forward that, use that, anything. So that's a very huge thing all the people on the social media do. Social media is curse as well as a boon, but now we are really using it. We are utilizing all the power we have so that the people we know or someone we know can be helped. So thank you each and everyone who is doing the great job. Really hats off to you all, and I really appreciate each one of you, be it any profession. You are doing everything you can, so don't worry. You also need time to rest. You also need time to take care of yourself. I am not any kind of a specialist to deal with human emotions, but I just thought that I can give a bit of my own idea so that you can combat this situation, you can combat the stress and the anxiety you are going through. While visiting the social media, I'm also feeling like there are so many news about so many things happening around, but we need to keep those in mind, right? We have to keep those information from where it is coming. We have to verify them. We have to then repost it, or you can repost it. The people who are using it, they can verify it themselves. So I know this is a very heartbreaking and very overwhelming situation. You are doing your part, I'm doing my part. There is nothing to worry about it that you are doing less of anything. You also need the rest so the energy keep flowing. I know there are many informations online and you must be stressed and anxious after seeing them. So just you can do that. Don't worry about it. You can switch off your phone, you can take some time off and then bounce back to help. There are many pages have been created with all the curated items or of all the informations that has been shared online. That is really empowering and so heartwarming. Know that we don't know them, but still we are here to help you. That's what humanity is for, right? So this is also positivity. In middle of all this chaos, you are doing your bit and you are helping others. Don't think that you're not helping. Your one share of information can save some life. You never know. Maybe they don't know you. They saw it and they forwarded it to the person they know. So that way things get shared. That's how powerful internet is. Along with this, there are many people who are misusing the information. I have been seeing that there are many numbers which have been circulated just because of any kind of help they can get. Those were misused by many people, that they got number of some female and they were harassing them with inappropriate messages and all that. Like seriously, kuch to sharam karo. I know my viewers are not bad, but if somebody have done it, if you're watching this, what is this, huh? Have some shame. So I know you all are really upset right now. This is not the time to have a lot of fun, but you have to have positivity in your life. You need to be happy so that your body knows that you are okay. If you don't feel okay, if your brain keeps on thinking about negative stuff, trust me, your body will fall sick. Not because of the virus maybe, but maybe of your stress and anxiety. So take some time off, watch some nice movie or read a good book. You know, cute baby videos, cute kitten puppies videos also bring smile. It does to me at least. So you can go, there are plenty millions of videos out there about kittens and puppies and whatnot. You can watch them, you will feel happy. So yeah, this is it for today. Take care of yourself, have good diet, stay at home. What else I can say? You know everything, right? You're calling up people and you're hearing so much of instruction. You are seeing so many videos out there. I'm not the only one who's talking about it, right? There are hundreds and hundreds of videos trying to motivate each and everybody, and this is what needed. Motivate others. Maybe you're not a very huge personality out there, you're not a celebrity, you're not an influencer. Maybe you're having 50 people in your profile. That will do. If you can motivate one person also, no, that will help. 1 plus 1 becomes 2, and you can keep up the addition and it will sum up. Have a great day, have a great week, have a great life. Help others, don't keep grudges, talk to people, call them up, and yes, do wear your mask properly. Okay? Chalo, Asji.